Your search for loving student accommodation shall end with Calcott 10. A restored car works that were established in 1896 for local car and motorcycle manufacturer Calcott Brothers now holds the future ambitions of the hundreds of students that call this place their home. The property offers fully furnished cozy en-suites, apartments, and studios with fitted kitchens and living spaces. The stunning common areas of Calcott 10 come with a free pool table and table tennis for good play and a TV area with sofas to help you unwind after an exhausting day at your university. Use the communal study rooms when you need that extra concentration boost, and the games room when you want to take a break from your books. With lightning-fast Wi-Fi and all-around security, you won't have to worry about a thing. If you choose to stay here, you'll never get late for lectures as City College Coventry and Coventry University is well within a 13-minute walk. Also, you'll only be a 2-minute stroll from the William Morris Building and Lanchester Library. When you're free, you can head down to Fargo, a marvelously repurposed industrial space, or visit the Herbert Art Gallery and Museum and the iconic Coventry Cathedral. Book this amazing student house in Coventry with just a few clicks. Head to amberstudent.com today.